Hi, this is Marco, founder of Synthetic White. What's up, creators? If you're serious about AI art, you know the feeling. Your workflow is a mess. You've got your best prompts scattered across a notes app, style codes on a sticky note, and amazing ideas buried in your Discord history. Here at our AI studio, we were living in that chaos every single day. It was a workflow killer, and it was stifling our creativity. So we decided to fix it. We built the tool that we always wished we had. This is Dreamdrive. It's the Chrome extension we developed to be a complete command center for our AI creativity. And today, I want to show you exactly how it works. Now, we're launching with full integration for Midjourney, which is what I'll be focusing on today. But I want you to know we're just getting started. In the coming weeks and months, we're already working on adding compatibility for other incredible platforms like Kling AI, Minimax, Runway, Luma AI, and many more. Our goal is for Dreamdrive to be the single command center for all of your AI creation. Let me start with the Dreamtune. This is our creative command center, and it completely changes how you build prompts. Instead of trying to memorize every single parameter, we built them into these intuitive dropdowns. You have controls for composition, letting you pick everything from shot types to focus. You can add a reference, channeling iconic photographers, artists, or even brands. And you have deep technical controls for dialing in the perfect camera, lens, and lighting for your shot. Of course, a powerful studio needs a great library. That's why we built My Prompts. This is your personal, organized space for every prompt you run. Everything is automatically saved. You can create different project folders for your campaigns, like beauty or fashion, and easily move your prompts between them to keep your projects organized. And when you're ready to use one, it's just one click to load it right into Midjourney. Now, for what we consider our secret weapon for brand consistency, the Style Vault. We designed it so you can upload and save your own personal style references, giving you a repeatable look with a single click. But the real powerhouse is the access you get to our private collection. As part of the subscription, you get over 1,000 curated styles that we've collected and used here at our studio. It's a massive library of inspiration, and the best part is how these all work together. Let's build a complex prompt from scratch. We'll start with a simple idea: beauty advertising. We'll set our aspect ratio, add center focus, and body cam shot. For the style, let's try fabric. We'll reference the iconic photographer Helmut Newton and the fashion brand. Just a few clicks. Then we hit the Dream button. Dreamdrive takes all those simple inputs and instantly engineers a beautiful, complex prompt that captures the entire vision. We submit it, and the result is a set of images that are perfectly aligned with our creative direction, created in a fraction of the time. We built Dreamdrive to solve our own frustrations. We built it to take away the friction and the busy work, so we could focus on what truly matters: creativity. It's an organized library for your past, a creative co-pilot for your present, and an infinite vault of styles for your future. We built it for us, but we're sharing it with you, the entire community of AI artists, designers, and creators. We poured everything we know about AI workflow into this tool, so stop wrestling with prompts and start creating. Check out the link in the description to get started. We can't wait to see what you make with it.